Yes, guys, we are in the hospital. My son just happened to do something with his hand. Kai, stop. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Come. Ni nini imefanyika? Wamekwambiaje?
Sema hauoni kitu lakini wamesema nichukue tu dawa. Wamesema nichukue tu dawa.
Hii ndo amekuwekea?
Yeah.
Ni uchungu bado? Okay. Sawa. Kwa hivyo hakuna kitu tunangojea, si ndio? Okay. Thank you. Oh, sawa. Yeah. And my babies here want to eat. Look at them. Well, these are the restrooms. Male, female, and of course the vending machines. Mkona vending machine shule?
Yeah.
Okay.
But easy as you compare to too easy host.
So 3 vending machines, and of course where you can have your water. You just press on this button over here. Same to this one for the babies. I really don't like. Amekupatia nini? Kadi. Nitakuchapa Kai. You see this boy? You see this boy? I don't want.
No, I'm just saying.
Okay, itoe. Usitoe na hiyo kadi. One of the reasons why I don't like to come to the hospital is because of this boy. Look at this boy. He loves vending machines. So, he's just looking for cards. And how he can do something, buy something. These digital babies. Kai, you're not buying anything with my card. Put it back. Put it back. So we've been waiting. I just started the video after I got tired, and I decided to do a video. We've been here for more than, I think, 2 hours now, but we are almost going home, and the girl is spending spending my card. Bring it. Kai. Huyu atavunja hiyo kadi yangu. Hebu chukua hiyo kadi. Kai. Mbona unamkubalia anini kadi?
Come here. Because I'm broke.
Ni soda gani unaniambia? Nimeshaikunywa. Yeah. This one, the Steri. Nimekunywa. It's like Sprite. Yeah.
No, it's the closest thing to Crest.
Yeah, Crest ya Kenya. No, Kai. So, si tutoke hapa ndio mtoto aache kulia. Chukua mtoto twende. Okay, are you guys buying or you're just wasting time here? Kai, tukizidi kukaa pesa yake itaisha.
It's cold.
Mtoto ako na kadi yangu. Umechukua kadi? Okay, sawa. Yeah, guys, this is what we normally do when you come to this hospital. It's just buying and these things. By the time I'm out of here, I am close to broke. Are you buying the Stari ama tunaenda? Okay, me I'm going. Munipate huko. Wacheni nili nikae huko. No, I'm not buying anything. Okay, sorry. Okay. So this is how she's doing it. Finish, mom. Yeah. So she wants number 6 or 5, 6 or 7, right? 6 or 7.
Yes.
And then the machine will sense the card. No, the pin the chip has to face the other side. Make a selection.
This vending
Na si
machine
kadi
is
yako
not
inashinda
the best.
ikikusumbua.
Yes, on this one.
And the other one?
See how this one is fully stocked? That means nobody has been able
Hebu songa Mitch afanye yake. Okay. Ah, Mitch, can you stop? Which number? Kai no. No. 6 or 7? 7. Okay. Okay. It's $1.75.
Oh.
And just like that. I hope yako itakubali juu ya mari nakata. Do it again. What are you doing? Make a selection. Can you try it again? For some reason your cards zinakata. Mi yangu ikatai, ya Madrila ikatai. Yenu mbona inakata? But the machine is a little bit slow. Or you want to use cash? You don't have money? Si uko na cash hapo? Uko nayo $5 ile unataka kutumia. Okay, let's do.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Eka. I need to move out of here. So guys, let us try the cash. Good. The boy wants the Rice Krispies. Put the money. No, here. Apple.
Usikubai kitu, bro.
Niko na I'm taking a video, sawa? Just let it go. Umeiweka vizuri? Ukiona hindi hujaiweka vizuri. Hiyo pesa for some reason imejikunja. Jaribu hiyo side nyingine. Yeah.
Body, yo. She just wanna roll.
Very good.
Nichukua do yangu.
Put in. And another 6 or 7.
There we go.
Wait, why didn't it work on mine?
So, chukua tu hiyo ni yako. Sasa unachukua wapi? Hapo.
No way.
Let me pick the change first. Guys, need to wait. So you take the coins from there. Kai, remove your hand. Wait, Mitch. Shika. Wait, Kai. Finished. And then take it. Remove your hand. And there he goes. Let's go. Shika. Let's go, Kai. Look at this guy. Just like that, guys, and it is time to go. The boy has finished. And now we are going home. Let's go, Kai. Let's go. Oh, sorry, Kai. And Kai is just a happy boy. Let's go home. No, ish. Guys, it's very late actually. Very, very late. Chukua mtoto. Unaona hizi ndio vitu zenye mnanikasirisha nao. Mnaniachia kila kitu. everything. It's actually very, very, very dark. What? It's like almost 10 p.m. Yep. And finally we are done. We thank God for his goodness, his mercies, his love and his favor. We thank God for good health. And if you're healthy, if you're whole, just always remember to give thanks to the Lord, because hey, this life. Anyway guys, I love you so much. God bless you. And like I usually say, see you on the next one. Nimeona